Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Technics EAH-AZ60 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily do a hard reset. At first we have to remove our right earphone from our case, and during this light is blue we have to hold for the 7 seconds our touch panel. Now we have to release, and now we have to hold the same touch panel for at least 10 seconds. And now, as you can see, the right one is done. Now we have to do the same with the left one. While it is blue, hold the touch panel for 7 seconds. Release, and now 10 seconds. And now we are done. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.